In this video, we are going to learn how to find the derivatives of a function by using quotient rule. In my previous video, we already learned the formula for quotient rule. You could find the link for that video is given in the description below. Now we will solve few examples by using the quotient rule. Before that, quotient rule is d by dx of u divided by v, that is equal to, first we have to keep that v as it is, that is v into du by dx. So we have to differentiate u minus u into dv by dx. Here we have to differentiate v and you have to keep u as it is, divided by v square. Now we will solve few examples. So first example is d by dx of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So assume the numerator term, that is x minus 1 as u, and the denominator term as v, that is x plus 1. So that is u term is x minus 1, and if you differentiate this du by dx, that is nothing but first differential of x is 1 minus differential of constant is 0. So du by dx is 1. Next v term is x plus 1. If you differentiate this with respect to x, differential of x is 1 and constant is 0. So now just substitute all the values in the formula. So that is equal to, first term v is nothing but x plus 1 into du by dx. So du by dx value is 1 minus what is v, that is x minus 1 into dv by dx, that is also 1 divided by v square. V square value is denominator square, that is x plus 1 the whole square. So just simplify this. So first term multiply with 1, so you'll get the same term x plus 1 minus, and here also we have x minus 1 into 1. If you multiply, you'll get the same term, but we have minus here. So if you multiply x with minus, so that is minus x, and minus into minus will become plus 1. So divided by x plus 1 the whole square. And here we have x and here we have minus x. So these two terms will get cancelled. So in the denominator we have x plus 1 square, and the numerator we have only 2, because if you add, you will get 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So this is the derivative of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Next example, differential of 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4. So here also we have u by v. So first term is u, that is 3x plus 1, and v term is x square plus 4. So if you differentiate u term, that is du by dx, so differential of 3x is 3 plus 1, that is constant differentiation is 0. Next dv by dx, differential of x square is 2x plus constant differentiation is 0. Now substitute all the terms in the u by v formula, that is d by dx of 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4. So the formula is first v. So v term is x square plus 4 into du by dx. Okay, so du by dx value is 3 minus u into, that is 3x plus 1 into dv by dx, that is 2x, whole divided by v square. So v square is x square plus 4 the whole square. Now simplify this. First multiply 3 inside. So first term is 3x square plus 3 into 4, that is 12, and here we have 2x into 3x. So if you multiply, you will get 6x square, but here we have minus. So minus 6x square, and here we have minus 1 into 2x. So that is minus 2x. So whole divided by x square plus 4 the whole square. So the answer is, see here we have 3x square minus 6x square. So if you subtract, you will get minus 3x square, and we have x term, that is minus 2x plus 12 divided by x square plus 4 the whole square. So we will rewrite this as 12 minus 2x minus 3x square, because we have to write the positive term first. So 12 minus 2x minus 3x square divided by x square plus 4 the whole square. So this is the derivative of 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4. Next example, by using trigonometric functions, okay, that is d by dx of cos x divided by x square. Here also the given example is in the form of u divided by v. So assume the first term is u. So u is nothing but cos x, and second term, that is v, is nothing but x square. So differential of u, that is du by dx, is cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and differential of v, that is dv by dx, is differential of x square is 2x. So now substitute all the values in the quotient rule formula, that is d by dx of cos x divided by x square equal to, so what is the first term? V into du by dx. So v is x square into du by dx is minus sin x minus u, that is cos x, into dv by dx, that is 2x, the whole divided by v square. V is here x square, so v square is x square the whole square. So simplify this. First term is minus sin x into x square, so that is minus x square sin x, and here also we have minus 2x cos x divided by, here we have x square the whole square, that is nothing but x to the power 4. So that is equal to, here we have minus is common, so we are taking it out, and also we have one x term is common, so I am taking that x outside. So we have the remaining value is, if you take one x term, so it will become x into sin x. Already we are taking minus outside, so this term will become plus, and we have 2 cos x, because we are taking one x term outside, so this will become 2 cos x divided by x to the power 4. So one x term will get cancelled, so the answer is minus of x sin x plus 2 cos x divided by x cube. So this is the derivative of cos x divided by x square. Next example, differential of log x by sin x. Again here u value is log x. What is differential of u? That is log x differentiation, 1 by x. Next is v. V term is nothing but sin x, so that is differential of v, dv by dx equal to sin x differentiation cos x. So substitute all the values in the quotient rule formula. So d by dx of log x divided by sin x, so the formula is v into du by dx. So what is v? Sin x into du by dx is 1 by x minus u into dv by dx. U is nothing but log x into dv by dx is cos x divided by v square. V square is nothing but sin x the whole square. So first term is sin x by x minus log x cos x whole divided by sin square x. Sin x the whole square is nothing but sin square x. So this is the derivative of log x by sin x. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button, and for further notification please hit the bell icon. Thank you.